Menim say ade baako a ene se wo ye Ghana ni na wote ho a ese oyam hihye fa ho eye Galamsey nsem sanse ne ye pesika eche ye nkwa enti ensu a ye nom nya nkwa ene ye nsase nyina no ye se no enti wo hu se nansen kra no no ma emfrabani mu hyehyehye humie mu kra den sanse enuane ade kra no a ebema ye mframa pai wo ye nkwa ye mu ni ade nyina no kire se ye dwiri ni nyina agu ye se nsase no na ade baako eka ho bi ema aban sesaye ebaaye eye Galamsey uyi ni akade nyina setena mu ahokyere ne ade a na ewo ho the economic hardship ni ade nyina no a Galamsey was one of the basic reasons in tia Ghana for the year say one more pensachra because then we believe say aban dada no ano wo ho no ene na pamfo enye o madwen so mbetu Galamsey ase apart from ye the military be ko chiche nkrofo aye yina wo behwe ne nkonkosi hwe nti Ghanaians wanted a new path in the fight against Galamsey. But so far 1 year on some months Akokoa say now bra Facebook we Dr. Hannah Louisa Bisu now administrator ma Minerals Development Fund mami say this NDC government is winning the fight against Galamsey or CNDC a winning fight against Galamsey now sa asem we odi tu dwa no achiri no papa yin so akasa unim se enye ono nko no ka papa yi a wono so kasa de ma eye lands ministry pa Kwesi Schandorf recently ono so akasa a wo chirim say the fight against Galamsey no yenya 80% success or say the Galamsey fight has been more than 80% successful so far. Jeff, the Galamsey fight has been more than 80% successful so far. Pa Kwesi Schandorf, media relations officer for Air Lands Ministry. But Sebeya ubetie ono ankasa na ubetie asem na sintino. This was the interview have we with Chichuan. Tino.
If I were to rate the performance of this current dispensation where the fight against illegal mining is concerned, I'll honestly, as a matter of fact, I'll settle way above 80%. Anything way above 80% is okay, and I'm going to tell you why. I think when we want to
80%,
absolutely. I think when we want to,
what can you point to the success?
Exactly,
80% that
exactly. That's the point I was coming to.
Okay.
If we are going to assess the fight against illegal mining, and particularly the progress of this particular administration, I think it should be done against the situation that we came to meet or the devastating conditions that were left behind as the legacy that we inherited. So let's start from the total number of forest reserves that we have. We know that we have 288 forest reserves in the country. Now, between 2017 to 2024, 44 of these 28 had been affected, besieged and impacted by illegal mining activities. Out of these 44, we had some 9 out of them which around that time were declared as no-go areas. That is to say that even the security personnel could not go there. That was the situation that we inherited, and it's important to reiterate again that, of course, all those times we've been able to repossess them. That was the situation with the forest reserves. Then you look at the land itself, I mean the landscape itself. We used to be saying that we have 5,500 hectares of land that have all been decimated due to illegal mining activities. But we would realize later on that that record was even not updated. It was up to 2021. Indeed, if you move forward to the 2024 record, so we have about 10,000 hectares of land that had been lost due to illegal mining activities. That is what we came to inherit. So if you want to track our progress, you gauge it against the damage that we met. 10,000 hectares of land, all right, completely destroyed. Yes, they are.
Enti utie no a o kire se yensase no o hwe a de na ya sai ni nyina no kire se ya ye ni yie ɛna wutie no so a ne opa kyerɛ forest reserves bi wɔ hɔ a bɛyɛ nkunu bi ana kyerɛ sɛ sojafoɔ kra asrafoɔ abambɔfoɔ ntimi nwuram ɛnei omutimi nwuram ɛkɔ hɔ na utietie ne nsɛm no ano a in fact the statistics are all man sɛ wohwɛ ne din a ɔmo ɛyɛ research no ɛbɛ kyerɛ wo sɛ wohia some baseline na odia make judgment and a conclusion on ensemo apeso kan oso ma over 80% success as a Galamsey kono ye tro ho nso hwa bi anke yanya A+ ana yanya A ewum as ya pass awie that is Kwesi Schandorf ne nsemo a okan na this Kwesi asem ba akopɛ na mpɛsɛ meka kyerɛ ne sɛ Kwesi yen joke wo Galamsey nsɛm hu stop that jokes and politicization of that Galamsey no how does 9 forest reserve wuntimi nkomu wa recover no ai na wutimi komu no ema wutimi rate hu over 80% and lands dodo sen kra no wa reclaim lands dodo sen yenyina wo kromu how we are aware about how Galamsey no ekoso egusu a ekoso that 80% improvement now all can over 80% no on which baseline and a data source ben mo koye sa survey ni da ben indicators ne te say just say odwene ho aya na me ntiase say this Galamsey thing na ebekuye nyina cyanide mercury ni ade a omde gu nsuo mi anum wuo no ni nuane a ese no ebekuye nyina no we are turning it to be some kind of political game bia ebewi ase na say ani bra ye de tachiri no ebeye ketewa bi. The reality is that your water quality no still ye pollute nsuo no blue water guys ina no ba kwa nko o man ko chase bia nko to nsuo a ba ko wuye yensuo no gusua Ghana Water Company still obu complaini ye komusu a nipa ye chi wo so dɔɔso de bia ye chi nipa je fato so mame enkrofo mo ko chi wo nko recently it how do you say a success these are the people I ko chi wo be Facebook nipa do aya chi wo mo hwe mantie over be wo mo mgu ankra de almost 50 hwe ne yi wo mo ntaade ye yi wo mbosom de bia arrest koswa edoso obekọ no ma sense ase bebre na no expose ya joy news na na bo ache mo ko ye de ba che se Galamsey ne nkofem people are still doing Galamsey ewo ho then you come and tell us 80+% success. How do you even evaluate that? Udie diagro how do you measure that over 80% success methodology be na we use here? The reality is that look, these guys are involved in Galamsey omu shegura mu wo no mo ye nyagro and now here just some few weeks ago and ye kwache China fo bi omu so shegura mu wo ye Galamsey pra apolutu ankobra apolutu na no ofin de rasus betu ni page ye hu se de nsuo nani aye bre mu de so obetimi akosa no ma fire 80% bra Facebook be ha de we ye ayitwifo pra so pra no a record ko ready nsuo na ye we ma ye just last week and na video we beto abonte and omu ye we de buy then you are telling us say when you over 80% success so we media relations ma ministry a and just sabe the any one wo sheda eka we understand your communication, we understand it. So information asymmetry yet yes say you say Ghana for yem parking kan yen kwahwehwe ne yehunu enti no oboni trimu a no aka bibia no de emfato hu bia nhyeda mfa no de atoto ho a na esi awie. This is the situation. Bra Facebook be hade ensuo no bi ne da ho no, and you are saying say 80% and over improvement military for plus watch and then ma memfa we nso nkyerɛ sunwane abesim plant no say grad on be shutting it down. Now no crowd yes, a fan baby cry nyajuma. because Stanor River no chese I say ena da ho no hwe fidie na eyini na mu no hwe e fa sia ko no e din water we be that treaty we na what ya dia betodwa and now it was 80% improvement e wo Galamsey kun wa ma ho 80% enka system po na nke yenka say bia bibi say 80 chese wo ya wura 100. Are you serious? Moga say di agro ho. And I'm telling you, say on Galamsey issues, we are not going to rest. So mo mutimi ko krensu papa ba. Mutimi ko fa mu nua ne papa ko your friend say sa enuani ya o ma ye ya eno no chemicals yi bia nkomu a ya ne garden mu kamo a mo mutimi ko to na boden e de bre ye e de ba fie bedi no a ye de ye ko dwa so ko to normal one ye a ebi wo ma ye didi nti mu hu de ye famu no. We will not allow you guys to deceive us like that too. Yen trase ba mo nya kan sem bia nwo ye ma mo mfa sa Galamsey nsem na nya politics wo kuru mu a ekunu no enu ba bia ekunu no enu ba bia. If you look at the water quality hwe de ekoso ma yi nsuo ni bia kyerɛw mampani John Dramani ma na nkasa beka waka ho asem say this particular Galamsey fight no ehwo hia se ense nyina ba mu bi ense nyina say 27 February 2026 yaw the State of the Nation's address or say Galamsey fight demands multi-dimensional response na ade adu 80 something percent say nka na ye relaxing kakra ono akura sa be kan say ne nkrofo kura wo ho nti Galamsey fight no chese se de esi kro no ono akura hu se ne nkrofo ehihye bia even our own people are involved. Was Mahama on challenges in Galamsey fight. There's a Galamsey now walk on Ankasa or no Ankasa Kurasu Huna Mani womb, Nekuna Nyagro or how a womb and Yasam get one. Then you go and rate yourself over 80%. Are you serious? Sir, Kwesi, media relations for lands ministry, no? Is everything okay? Mamimo, data bia coalition, Ghana coalition against Galamsey. One of the babontin we en check a match ya bosome ene na wotwe munia nisa we say pretwamuti o me March 28th 2026 we a press release Ghana coalition against Galamsey ekua wono ehwe se Galamsey betumi akon ewo mamu a wo mo nsha abanyase. This is the Omokun Galamsey, Omoka Hwasem Kufuado Penso, Omo Yedede Kan Hwasem. This time they have done some research. And this is what they said. That in a press release issued on March 28, 2026, Ose Galamsey no increase hajene number for the real release in Otosumame. But her release in Angasa. This is the real release. Woman de buy na me kanya Accra, March 28, 2026. Also, the Ghana Coalition Against Galamsey has carefully assessed the ongoing fight against illegal mining, including developments on the ground and pronouncement by the president and other government officials. While the coalition acknowledged that anti-Galamsey effort began promisingly with some modest results, it notes that with deep concern that meaningful impacts remain largely unachieved. Now, meaningful impact remaining largely unachieved. I will rate you 86%. Also, the coalition calls on President John Dramani Mahama to take immediate action to halt impunity among enforcement agencies and government representatives and address the poor compliance fueling the nationwide impact of Galamsey. Baby, I must sign red. And also, despite repeated government assurance, the coalition observed with grave concern that the situation is worsening. And can say it's improving. This is just March 28 here. Or see the situation is worsening. Oman running around several sites. Galamsey. And Omaka say situation no worsen, threatening our water bodies, forest reserves, and the health and safety of Ghanaian people. And Omama some suggestions were now Uba Asiwa guarantee greater protection for forests as promised. No, so Uba now Kanya or see the coalition acknowledges President John Dramani Mahama's commendable revocation of LI 2462. So okay, na Momura Forest Reserve na mampeni ba ewa eno sa amra ne free honom. Or say it still expresses deep concern that after 1 year in office, the state of Ghana's forest has worsened. What was it? Forest Reserve na ibi adi ntimi nkomu ya committee bibia ya okay. Come and read this. Come and read this from the Ghana Coalition against Galamsey. Come and read this. Dear Norcan, was the president took office. Nearly 45 forest reserves were impacted by illegal mining. That number has now risen to at least 50 forests with over 9,000 hectares of area affected. 80% plus improvement. You're serious. And you see, the way we play politics, time. Because I have to say something. Mampenina krasu or play no one concert improvement, beba. Then you rate yourself over 80%. And as you go on their press release, also accountability for DCs and MCs. DCs and they were seeking say yebe punish binum. Iyoko started investigation. Attorney General Odasi investigated some 2 NDC affiliated individuals. We are silent on it. Yehuni akosi political involvement edosu bebre. Amampedi now confirm say even the own people eka. Professor Frimpong Boateng reporter Otroye enemu nkrofo bebre. How far? How far? Now we better say 80% improvement. Are you serious? Don't take it as a joke, because the same way now and Crawford who are before added to a batia bind that dinosaur the Galamsey essay or mine. You guys have to be careful. Now we'll communicate here, say I improve. So you want us to go and sleep because I improve. Once a Ghana water air complaining. O mine won. They be a mekase politicians yana amano 70 the yanini ni pankwa ni benya di because they are part of the Galamsey. They are doing the Galamsey. And I'm not surprised. On rate 80 saying because a koba edenya se unyam fasuo mu a nka wo make a statement no. No mine no. Kwesi do Ghana. Do Ghana. Se wo do Ghana nka nkeka sa asem no. Yeni abrewo Galamsey zem no mmaka say Galamsey kona de wo meje me yire me fa mbibia. But if you support Galamsey, now we are say all the Galamsey ye politics, then of course we will come after you. It's too bad. And dear Kosua now we hear Crawford cry akoche unsu aye say no ne ade. No abetra say he say ye drew A+. Is 80% turnover. Ebusia meba.
Oh yeah! Come on! Nhyira 104.5